Hello guys, welcome back to the CTXCLOUD. Today we have buy two new products, which is QNAP TS 233 NAS. The cost of this NAS is around 20,000. You guys can see in my background screen. Apart from that, it comes with a A55 Quad core processor along with 2 GB of DDR4 RAM. So in this price segment, no company is giving like 2 gigs of RAM in the NAS. Apart from A55 is core processor, which is based on 64-bit architecture. So let me quickly unbox these products and we'll review after this unboxing. So these products I buy from Amazon. So let me unbox these products. And it will take like 12 minutes. So this is the product. And you guys can see that it's sealed pack. Let me quickly unbox this. So guys, you can see that this is like NAS drive, and let me quickly unpack this because I want to take the storage back of all my devices like laptop, desktops. Even I want to use this product in my Citrix lab. So we are going to do a shared drive. We are going to use this as a shared drive, and we are going to put all our drives into this NAS drive. So let me see what it will come with. RJ45 cable, it will come with the adapter, and this is a power cord, which is likely a system. Yeah, it's like the power cord which we generally plug in our CPUs, and yeah, in the CPUs. So this is the old stuff which we'll get with this NAS. Apart from that, I have like 2 TB of crucial hard disk. Let me quickly unbox this as well. So the cost of this crucial hard disk is around 10,000, and the capacity of this SSD is around 10,000 if I buy from the Amazon sale. So it's like good product if you want to use these products. Generally buy these hard disk into the Amazon sale or the sales. So let me quickly unpack this as well. So just wait. Let me. Okay. So this is the hard disk which we have purchased, and it is saying that 2000 GB of the hard disk. So again, in our next video we are going to set up these products. So thank you guys for this video.